Hello students, today we will do essay on rainy season. Essay on rainy season.
Do click subscribe button. Press bell icon.
Rainy season is also called as monsoon season. It begins in June and ends in September. Third, it is the most amazing season of the year. Fourth, women at home cook delicious dishes. Fifth, rivers and ponds are filled with water. 6. Rain gives us water to drink, take bath, and grow food. 7. We can see frogs and earthworms in that season. 8. Heavy rain at times lead to destroy crops and floods. 9. Climate becomes cool and attractive. 10. I love this season very much.
Thank you.